Today, you'll see how large salmon are caught at sea, processed in this factory, and delivered to you.
This is where the salmon journey begins.
Once caught, salmon must stay cold and move fast.
Inside the factory, every second matters. From the ocean to you.
This is how large salmon are captured at sea. These are fully grown salmon, harvested at peak size. Only large, high-quality salmon are kept on board. Quality is checked immediately on the vessel. The salmon are iced right away to stay fresh. Cold storage slows everything down. Fishing continues until the hold is full. Once loaded, the vessel heads to shore. The salmon arrive at the processing port. Now the factory process begins. The salmon are moved in refrigerated trucks. Processing begins as soon as they arrive. Large salmon are unloaded directly into the facility. Each salmon is inspected before processing. The salmon are quickly washed with cold water. Now the salmon move into primary processing. The heads are removed in a controlled process. The salmon are cleaned internally. The fish are rinsed and checked again. Now the salmon are ready for filleting. Large salmon now enter the filleting line. The machine adjusts to each salmon's size. Each salmon becomes 2 large fillets. Fillets are inspected immediately. Only minimal trimming is done. Small bones are carefully removed. Only premium fillets move forward. Fillets are portioned for different products. The salmon now split into 3 product lines. Each line produces a different final product. These large salmon fillets are prepared for fresh sale. Each fillet is checked for appearance and quality. Chilling helps maintain freshness before packing. Every fillet is weighed for accuracy. Fillets are placed carefully into retail trays. Packaging helps extend freshness. Labels and dates are added automatically. Final checks ensure retail quality. Fresh salmon fillets are now ready. Next, some salmon is prepared for freezing. Proper spacing ensures even freezing. The salmon enter a blast freezer. Rapid freezing preserves texture and quality. The salmon leave the freezer fully frozen. Frozen portions are weighed for accuracy. Frozen salmon is sealed to prevent damage. Each frozen package is labeled and tracked. Frozen salmon stays in deep cold storage. The final line produces smoked salmon. Some salmon is prepared for smoking. The fillets are lightly brined. They rest briefly before smoking. The salmon enter smoking chambers. Smoke is applied slowly and evenly. Conditions are carefully monitored. After smoking, the salmon is ready. Cooling stabilizes the smoked product. Smoked salmon is packaged carefully. One salmon becomes 3 finished products. All salmon products come together for final checks. Every product passes a final inspection. Each package is fully traceable. Different products enter different cold zones. Fresh salmon stays just above freezing. Frozen salmon stays deep frozen. Smoked salmon is stored under precise conditions. Orders are prepared for shipment. Refrigerated trucks arrive for delivery. Salmon products are loaded carefully. Each shipment is checked before departure. The salmon begins its journey to market. The cold chain continues across long distances. Salmon arrives at distribution centers. Different products reach different markets. The salmon is now ready for consumers. From ocean to factory to store. This process combines scale and precision. One salmon becomes multiple products. That's how salmon is processed and delivered.
If you want to watch more detailed videos on manufacturing and technology like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.